Congratulations, you're just moments away from the power of remote monitoring with Digi Connect Sensor XRT-M and Digi Access. Your Digi Connect Sensor XRT-M package includes your Digi Connect Sensor XRT-M device with pre-installed SIM card, 2 lithium metal battery packs, a Digi magnet keychain found inside the device case, 2 cable glands to ensure the protection of electrical connections, a SIM information card detailing your SIM card information specifics. Open the device case, turn the battery holder arm so that it's parallel to the battery tray. Insert the 2 lithium metal battery packs into each battery slot, making sure that the battery wires can be placed in the empty space within the case. Turn the battery holder arm until it clicks and locks the batteries in place. To connect the batteries to the battery port, push each battery connector into the bottom of the battery port. A magnet is required to wake your Digi Connect Sensor XRT-M device. We have included a Digi magnet keychain in your device package for your convenience. Simply open the case, locate the magnet sensor sticker on the side of the device, and place the magnet on the sticker for several seconds to wake the device. The LED lights within the SIM card slot will flash purple. Once the LED light remains solid green, the connection is established. Your Digi Connect Sensor XRT-M is now ready to go to work. Be aware, before initial provisioning, make sure your cellular signal is strong to maintain a consistent connection.